Okay, this is a review lesson over solving multi-step equations. Okay, and the nice thing about this particular assignment is once you type in an answer, if you get a green, if it turns green on you, then you know it's right. If it turns red, you know that you have the wrong answer. Okay, so let's review this a little bit. Let's do problem 15. Then I'll show you how it works when you type in the answer. Okay, number 15, 6x plus 5 minus 3x equals 7 times x minus 1. Okay, it's been a while since we've done these, but we're solving multi-step equations. Okay, this is the gist of it in the orange box. This is real similar to what you have on your homepage. It's just a very brief version of it. Okay, but you can always go to your homepage to look through that. But the steps to solving a multi-step equation, we'll look at those as we do problem 15. Okay, first thing you always want to do, get rid of parentheses, if you have any, using the distributor property. Okay, and in this problem, we have parentheses. So we need to get rid of those parentheses. The distributor property tells us to multiply the outside number to both parts. Okay, so 7 times x is 7x. And 7 times negative 1, okay, I'm treating that subtraction symbol as a negative, as 7 times a negative 1 is a negative 7. Okay, so I have 7x minus 7 on the left. On the right, I'm just going to copy down what I have. 6x plus 5 minus 3x equals 7x minus 7. Okay, second step. Combine like terms on the same side of the equal sign, if you have any. Okay, in this problem, we do. On the left-hand side, we have a 6x and a negative 3x. Combined, we need to combine those together because they're both x's. So 6x added to a negative 3x. I guess you could think of that as 6x minus 3x. Be careful when you think subtraction, though. Okay, 6x minus 3x is 3x. Bring the rest of the problem down. You need to bring down the plus 5, and you need to bring down the equals and the 7x minus 7. So we have 3x plus 5 equals 7x minus 7. Okay, third step. Get all x's on one side if they aren't already. Okay. On this problem, we don't have all the x's on one side now. So we need to make that happen. So we either need to get rid of this added 3x. See, it's a positive, so think of it as added 3x. Or get rid of this added 7x, okay, by subtracting it from both sides. I'm going to get rid of the 3x that's added. So I'm going to subtract 3x from each side. It wouldn't have mattered if we got rid of the 7x instead. Okay, when you do that, you end up with 5 on the left. 7x minus 3x is 4x. So we have 5 equals 4x minus 7. Okay, fourth step, get all the numbers on the other side away from your x. Okay, if that is not already done in the problem. Okay, and we need to make that happen in this problem because we have 4x on the right and we have that subtracted 7 sitting there next to it. Okay, we want to get rid of that. So we're going to add 7 to get rid of the subtracted 7. That leaves us with 12 on the left, 4x on the right. Okay, the last step is to get rid of the number multiplied to your variable by dividing. So we need to get rid of the 4 that's multiplied to x by dividing by 4, but we need to do that to both sides. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, so we get x equals 3. Okay, now keep in mind this, guys. I did a problem that had all of these. I had to do all 5 of these things to solve it. Okay, you're not always going to have to do all 5. Maybe you don't have parentheses in the problem. Or maybe after you get rid of your parentheses, you're not going to have like terms on the same side of your equals. Okay, well, I mean, whatever. You're not always going to have all 5 of these steps. Okay, but use these steps to solve. And let's look and see what that looks like when we type it in. So if you're doing problem 15 and we type in 3, don't type x equals. Okay, just put the 3 in. Type in 3, enter. See, it turns green. See, if we would have thought the answer was 2, I click enter, it gives me red. So I like these. So you know right away if you're right or wrong. And then if you're wrong, you can try to fix it. Okay, contact me if you have any trouble with these. I am here to help. Okay, good luck.